Hey there, do you want to invest in crypto but you're not sure whether to pick Bitcoin or Ethereum? Are you wondering which one has the best chance of really taking off in the future? In this video, I'm going to explain in a simple way which one can give you the biggest gains with the most up-to-date info from August 2025. So stick around until the end. Bitcoin is the very first cryptocurrency, born in 2009. It's the main pillar of the market, and in 2025, it's still the absolute standard. In January 2020, one BTC was worth about $7,000. In November 2021, it hit $69,000, its old record. In November 2024, after the halving in April, it shot up to $93,480. And in August 2025, it's holding steady between $114,000 and $115,000. Yes, you heard that right. Bitcoin reached a new high in July 2025 around $123,000. Before correcting slightly. Why is it so successful? Because Bitcoin is rare. There will never be more than 21 million BTC, and this scarcity attracts investors, institutions, and even some countries. It's what we call a store of value, kind of like gold, but in a digital version. In the future, some experts think Bitcoin could reach $150,000 or even $250,000 or more, depending on how widely it's used. But be careful, at this price level, the potential for big gains slows down. You probably won't easily make 10 times your money, but more like 2 times, maybe 3 times if the market really takes off again. Ethereum, created in 2015, is much more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform, a base, a tool. It's where DeFi, NFTs, blockchain games, and thousands of decentralized apps run. In January 2020, one ETH was worth about $140. In November 2021, it climbed to $4,878. In March 2024, it was around $4,070. And today, in August 2025, it's between $3,200 and $3,800. Ethereum has also changed a lot technically. Since the update to Ethereum 2.0, the network switched to proof of stake, which makes it faster and uses much less energy. And because transaction fees are burned, it's becoming more and more deflationary, meaning its supply can decrease over time. Many see Ethereum as the world's computer for Web3. Analysts believe it could reach $10,000, $15,000, or even $25,000 in the coming years if more people keep using it. The potential for gains is higher than with Bitcoin, but there's also a bit more up and down movement. So, which one should you choose? Here are 5 important differences without a big chart. 1. How old they are. Bitcoin is the pioneer, created in 2009. Ethereum is younger, born in 2015, but very new and exciting. 2. The current price. In August 2025, Bitcoin is worth around $115,000. Ethereum is much more affordable, between $3,200 and $3,800. 3. Future potential. Bitcoin could reach $150,000 to $250,000. Ethereum is aiming for between $10,000 and $25,000 according to several experts. 4. How they're used. Bitcoin is mainly a store of value. Ethereum is a tool. It powers real Web3 projects. 5. The potential for gains. With Bitcoin, you can hope for 2 to 3 times your money. With Ethereum, we're talking more like 6 or 8 times, or even more if Web3 really explodes. To sum it up, Bitcoin is about stability and rarity. Ethereum is about innovation and widespread use. Both are powerful, but the raw potential for gains is higher with Ethereum. Don't feel like you have to choose between the two. Make a smart mix. A balanced portfolio might look like this. 60% Ethereum to aim for more growth. 40% Bitcoin to secure your investment. And if you want to spice things up a bit, add 10% of your crypto budget to promising smaller altcoins or meme coins, but only if you're ready for some risk and have done your research. So, are you Team Bitcoin or Team Ethereum, or both like me? Tell me what you think in the comments. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with a friend who's just starting out in crypto. See you very soon for a new video on Crypto Savoir.